didn't have a clear vision of what I wanted to be. I thought maybe at some point, by the time I was 50, I wanted to be a CEO. But that was kind of it. I mean, I didn't really know what that looked like.
What about your parents? No guidance? No, like, hey, go in this direction, or?
So my mother is a psychologist, a clinical psychologist. My father actually started what is now Fortune 500 company in 1982. Wow. He IPO'd it when he was 30 and enjoyed 20 years in the Caribbean on a rum plantation, and now owns a vineyard in upstate New York. So his guidance was find something where you can drink a lot. Not really. His guidance was really find what you love. And whatever it is that you love will make you happy and make you money in the long run. So, I didn't really know. So I had a job offer my senior year to go internal with a Fortune 500 company. It was really an internal training program. Yeah. And you could spend some period of time out in the field, and then at the 5-6 month.
How did you even land that? Like, was that
career management center?
Was that like an internship or something like that went into a full-time offer, like your junior year summer? What did you do in the summers? Of just train for like diving?
So I trained and I coached. I coached. We had a training program for kids at our university. So I was the camp counselor for diving. And then I spent my summer training also.
So I don't know how familiar you are with Wall Street Oasis and the term Hardo and all these people who are like gunning now for like freshman summer internships in the perfect place and how crazy it's gotten. And
I have recruited some of them.
Yeah.
It's interesting. I get it. I totally get it, because you're in this competition for the perfect job, but the reality is, spending college to find kind of what you love and really explore the world. That's the one time you get to do it. So it was always interesting on campus. I would go back to campus every year and recruit. I've always had the conversations with the kids who had taken time to go overseas and do something different was always much more interesting. But if you have a great internship, try to find something else to do during the summer so that you have something else to talk about.
Something unique. Yeah. Something unique. There was a guest I recently had. He kept saying just being unique. He was from France, he had already had a master's, got another MBA at Stern, and that helped him like propel, like people were like, oh, this guy's interesting, different, so that can definitely help.